everyone. Today we're going to talk a little bit about dimensioning, the alphabet of lines, and other dimension elements. This isn't really a particular general focus of the TIL exam in the technical knowledge section, but since it's in the curricula, we're still going to cover it. So what dimensioning is basically showing the particular parameters of a technical drawing, like the length of a particular surface or the radius, diameter of a particular circular shape, etc., etc. So to begin dimensioning, we need to know what types of lines that we're going to use. That's why we have what we call an alphabet of lines. Not all of these are super important for the TIL exam, but let's look at a few of them. The visible outline is to show an outline of a surface where you can actually see that. But the invisible outline, or sometimes also referred as the hidden line, is to see the outline of a surface that you're not able to see in that current view. The center line, well, it's to show the center of a specific surface. The dimension line is usually drawn far away from the original drawing, and it's used to show the dimension, the numerical values or the labels of that typical surface or line. For example, you might showcase length or radius of a surface. The leader line helps us with showing different kinds of labels in the dimension element. So you can use basic dimension lines when you're showing, for example, the lengths of surfaces, but for example, when you're trying to show the radius or the diameter of a circular section like this, you might want to use an arrowhead leader line so you can specify it outside of the drawing. This notation right here, that's to show the diameter of a section. And the big R is to show the radius of a circular section. Another line that you might encounter might be the broken material line, and that just shows a type of broken structure inside the drawing to specify the manufacturing process of that technical drawing. And last, let's look at the cutting plane line, which just showcases the imaginary cutting planes inside that technical drawing. Planes like this might be shown in the technical drawing to specify a cutting procedure. Other lines, most of them are understandable just by looking at their names. And this is not really a topic that you're going to be asked in quite specific details, but it's still nice to know at least the general aspect of what these key elements of dimensioning are.